Welcome to presentation tip number 50. Many presentations suffer from including too much information. Rather than being informative, a plethora of content can confuse your audience and dilute your message. When crafting your talk, keep it simple. Decide on the main message you want your audience to take home and focus your entire talk on that message. After you have finished, go through and prune out any additional information that doesn't help your audience understand your main point. Be concise and be relevant.